warning has been issued by the New Taylor State Weather Service. A heat advisory has been issued by the New Taylor State Weather Agency. Listen to this following message as it might save your life. We are issuing this emergency alert due to a sudden rise of heat in our state. The temperatures haven't reached critical levels yet, as it is still safe to go outside. Currently, we advise everyone to not stay outside for more than 5 hours. Drink as much water as possible. You need to stay hydrated. Use air conditioning as much as possible if you have one. If you do not have an AC unit, we highly recommend installing one, as temperatures don't seem to go down. Or cool your home in any other alternative way. As of now, there are no deaths related to this sudden increase of temperatures. This heat may go down in 2 weeks, and we are not expecting any increases as of now. However, we don't reject the possibility of a more intensive heat wave than this. We are currently investigating this sudden rise in temperatures, as we find it strange that there were nearly no warning signs of them coming. For now, please follow all of the instructions that were listed in this emergency alert. This broadcast will repeat every day until further notice. This is all for now. Stay tuned for any possible updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.